Are you looking for the best corner clamps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best corner clamps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, MORINBO Right Angle Clamp. The MORINBO Right Angle Clamp is made from premium quality aluminum alloy. It features a heat-treated carbon steel and die-cast construction that ensures its longevity as well as durability. The corner clamp comes with a maximum clamping range of up to 70 mm, with a 35 mm jaw depth and 95 mm jaw width. It is designed to safely accommodate numerous items including glass, metal tube, box frames, cabinets, fish tanks and steel rod. The corner clamp comes with an ergonomic design with an anti-skid handle coated with rubber to provide maximum comfort and grip for your hands. It features a swing jaw design for convenient and precise operation when holding wood pieces. At number 4, Seastar Right Angle Clamp. The Seastar Right Angle Clamp is designed to help reduce surface workload and save labor. It comes with a package consisting of 4 corner clips allowing you to make both 90 degrees and 45 degrees joints. The clamp comes with a multi-functional design ideal for fixing a variety of board sizes. It features a one-hand operation allowing ease of use for both professionals and amateurs. The corner clamp comes with durable construction made of high-quality materials guaranteeing durability and longevity. It is perfect for numerous applications including furniture repairs, making cabinets, DIY projects, woodworking as well as frame reinforcements. At number 3, Tong 90 Degree Clamp. The Tong 90 Degree Clamp is made of die-casting construction of aluminum alloy that guarantees longevity and durability. It is equipped with a single handle that can be rotated to adjust the opening of the jaw to a width of up to 2.8 inches. It is built with a rust-proof electro-plated steel arbor with an adjustable rotary jaw that can be aligned to precisely hold your workpieces. The corner clamp can be for a wide range of uses including holding wood, thick glass, metal tubes and steel rods. Also, it is perfect for building frames, aquariums, cabinets, doweling as well as welding. At number 2, Dreamcolor Corner Clamp. The Dreamcolor corner clamp comes with a design suitable for numerous applications including fixing fish tanks, woodworking, frame reinforcement as well as DIY projects. The clamp is made of high-quality and durable zinc alloy, allowing long-term use. It is built with steel-threaded screws with 2 counter-mounting holes that allow for permanent installation on your countertop. When using the clamp to glue 2 boards, it is recommended not to over-tighten the joint, which may force the glue out, creating weak joints. It should be used on reinforced connections and joints to prevent breaking as a result of excessive force. At number 1, HEWEGO Angle Clamp. The HEWEGO Angle Clamp is built to provide a maximum clamping range of up to 3 inches wide. It is made of highly durable aluminum alloy and designed to precisely hold items at a right angle joint. It comes with steel-threaded screws to help you mount it securely on your working bench. The clamp is sturdy, rust-proof and ideal for building reinforced frames, cabinets as well as tank production. The corner clamp is compatible with most woodworking and DIY projects including fixing fish tanks and making cabinets. It comes with a miter-style design that ensures your items are held firmly at a precise 90 degrees. Also, it is perfect for use when using fasteners and glues. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.